I want a lawyer. You're detaining me, I want a lawyer. If I'm not, then I'm gonna leave. Can't ask.
Okay, I need to take your hands out of your pocket.
If you tell me I'm being detained, I'll give you ID. You're harassing me.
I'm not harassing you.
I was reading my... If I'm not, then I'm gonna leave. Okay, well, so did I. When I served in the military, so did I.
In this video, a man is stopped by police while taking pictures near a public building. Officers immediately accuse him of suspicious activity and demand his ID, claiming concerns about terrorism and surveillance. The man insists he's just checking emails on his phone and repeatedly asks if he's being detained. The encounter becomes tense as the officers insist he's harassing them, but he maintains his rights. No evidence of a crime is found, making this a dramatic clash between personal freedoms and law enforcement suspicion.
Hey, man.
I'm doing good. How are you doing? How you doing?
You videoing me?
I am now, yeah.
Ain't nothing wrong with videoing. Can I ask what you was doing over there? Was
No.
you taking pictures?
No, can't ask.
Okay, I need to take your hands out of your pocket for me.
Oh, am I a
You have to do
suspect?
that. You have to do that.
Are you detaining me or am I free to go?
Might want to
You're
get
wasting
out
my
of
time.
How you doing, sir?
I'm doing fine. How are you? What's your badge number?
404.
Your name?
Okay, I need ID from you now.
Based on what? First answer me
ID from
one
you now.
question. Am I being detained or am I free to go? If you tell me I'm being detained, I'll give you ID. If I'm not, then I'm gonna leave.
You're not leaving.
Okay. So, am I being detained?
Let me
For
see ID.
suspicion? See,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are being detained
For-
for suspicious of terrorist activity for taking pictures of a public police department.
I didn't take-
You were standing there either surveilling. You were either surveilling. Okay, look, I'm former
When was
military.
this?
I've done it myself.
When was this?
Right over here.
So you're
do you
telling me
have-
I'm being
do you-
suspected of terrorist? What now?
Yes, sir. For surveilling. Okay, at this particular
Based
point,
on what proof?
Based on this point, you were standing there.
You're harassing
Yes,
me.
sir. I'm not harassing.
I
you.
was
We're
reading my
asking
emails of jobs I just applied for.
you with it this close to your face.
It's pretty bright out here.
This close to your face.
Have you developed an iPhone? Have you developed a phone that's brighter than this screen? Because I haven't. I was reading my emails and then you started harassing me.
Okay, that close to your face. I mean,
Yeah.
Really, that's.
This is as bright as my screen gets. Can you see it right now?
Yeah,
'Cause
I see it. But
could you read?
But you had it turned sideways up this close.
Yeah,
Right here,
it's
right here, this close. Make sure you had it this close. So I want you to make sure you understand that whoever you show that to, this is how close you had it. They're not going to believe you were reading your emails. I don't believe you're.
So
reading
you
your
don't believe I was using my sun visor or my hat as a sun visor to read my emails?
emails. No, sir. I don't believe that.
Because of your
at
behavior
all.
now, no, we
Now
don't
that may be what you want to tell us, but you know darn good
Well, you came over here harassing me.
If we had 10 people, probably 7 out of those 10 probably wouldn't believe it. You know that, correct?
Okay, so you're saying I have video or
We
pictures
have
of the
asked for your identification. You
Hold on.
didn't tell us.
I'm just
You're
conf-
on video.
hold on.
You said if you told me I was being detained, I would give you my ID. Now, are you not
What
going
crime?
to do
So
that?
you're actually suspecting me of a
Are you-
crime.
No,
What
sir.
crime?
I
know my rights.
Stop. Yes.
This ain't a Terry stop. So you've either believed that I've committed a crime, am committed a crime, or about to commit a
about
crime.
to. That's correct.
I'm
Based
familiar
on
with
what you're doing.
I'm familiar with Terry versus Ohio. Are
I
you?
understand. Yes, sir.
Okay, so I am too. So
So
basically,
now that we have done that,
no, you're
this is not
detaining
the
me.
place to have
Okay,
arguments, so I
charge
tell you
me,
what, give us the
charge
ID,
me,
give
charge
us
me,
your ID
charge
so
me
that
then,
have done
charge me
things
with the crime.
orderly.
I want a lawyer. You're detaining me. I want a lawyer.
we do have the authority to ask you for the identification. You yourself said, "Tell me I'm being detained, and I will give you my ID."
Well, I
So
believe
now
you're harassing
refusing
me.
to do that. Now
I
you're
don't
saying- Now
understand.
you're going back on your own word. Now
Being
you're
No.
going back
detained
on
and
your own
arrested
word.
is two different things.
That's right.
No, I understand
Being
detained.
and arrested
I
is
understand
different.
detained. I want a lawyer. If you're detaining me, then I want a lawyer.
Okay. Have we had to advise you of your rights for any crime that you
I
have
want a
committed?
lawyer. I won't be answering any more questions. I told you I was reading an email. You're saying I took videos or pictures. You're saying I took video pictures.
No, sir.
No,
So
no,
bring it
no,
to court.
no, no, no,
Wait,
no.
back,
The-
I didn't say that.
okay, what do you say? Let's start over.
Binoculars or something you were holding.
Yes.
I might have binoculars or
That's
something.
we were
What
trying
do
to
you What do
figure
you think I had holding to my face now? Binoculars or an iPhone?
You had that iPhone up close to your face.
Bingo.
But see, here's the funny thing. You're obviously prepared to be detained by police officers, or else you wouldn't be running around with your iPhone on video record all the time.
Oh, as soon as he
either
said-
you're trying to bait something.
You'll get to see the video on YouTube eventually one day. But as soon as he said hi to me, I hit record.
So you were obviously prepared.
I'd like not to be harassed. I'd like for you to respect my rights.
And I know, and I am respect rights.
Okay, and that's all I wanted, my
But
right to
you
be
haven't-
respected.
what you haven't
But
seen
you
to do-
told me I'm being detained and you don't have reason to detain me.
Yes,
You have
we
no
do, based
suspicion.
Based on the fact, look,
It's not illegal to take pictures.
It's not illegal to take take pictures. But let's put it this way: if you were a photographer and you were going from building to building, taking photos of, say, architectural type items, that would be unsuspicious because you would be a known photographer taking photos of architectural type buildings.
So it's not.
What we have now is you over here on state property taking photos of a police department, which we all know after 9/11, that's preferred method of any terrorist is to surveil the buildings that they might want to hit. Now,
Is this because I have a really sweet beard?
No, we couldn't tell.
So you're profiling?
No, we couldn't tell what you had. All I know is you had something here, and you were standing for quite a while staring at the building.
So you couldn't see 8 inches of beard from over there, but you could see something in my hand.
I saw, yeah, we saw this. And what we couldn't see was the rest of your face from here.
Well,
We saw your hands doing this.
you're wasting your time, because if you're going to arrest me, you'd arrest me already, because I haven't committed any crime.
That's right.
I'm a private citizen of the United States.
We haven't
The
established.
First
that you
Amendment
have
would
committed
protect
any
me if
crime.
I was taking pictures or photographs.
But we haven't established that you had committed any crime, so therefore we wouldn't arrest.
If you haven't established, do you believe I've committed? No, this isn't a Terry stop. A Terry stop provides that you believe that I've committed, I'm about to commit, or I'm going to commit. What do you believe that I've committed, about to commit, or I'm going to commit?
How about to commit?
Oh, you said how about? Well, you're going to.
About to commit based on taking photo of the building. The building's been shot at by people before. So as a police officer, I don't have a right to be in fear of possible persons who might be surveilling the place where I work.
People
planning
been
a hit on it.
That's hilarious.
Is it hilarious?
Well, can
Is
you
it hilarious?
articulate? Are you going to be able to articulate this in court? You're harassing me.
By persons.
So citizens have been targeted.
So saying it's not okay. So it's perfectly okay for you and anybody else as a citizen to do things like that, put us in fear, but it's not okay.
You
for
were
us
in
to come
fear?
over here. Yeah, I was.
Fear of what?
Look, why do I wear this vest?
I'm afraid you're about to violate my rights.
Why do I wear this vest? Why do I wear a vest?
Did you swear oath to protect the Constitution? Did you? Okay. Well, so did I. When I served in the military, so did I.
So did I.
So actually, does it matter?
No, it doesn't matter.
Does it matter?
I was wrong.
What unit were you in?
I was here in County Rockstein. I also served in Berlin Brigade while the wall was up. I was there when the wall came down.
That's beautiful.
Made a huge amount of
Man, I bet the Germans wish they had the same rights as us. If this was Nazi Germany, you would already beat me down and took my ID card, huh?
No, I would.
Okay, are we done here?
I saw police do that, and it wasn't something.
We both know we're wasting each other's time here.
Maybe.
You have a good day, officer.
You have a good day too.
Be safe. What was your name? I didn't get your name badge number.
It's all right.
No, you have to identify yourself.
I've identified myself as a police officer, but I have not made any arrests.
The law.
Have I?
The law doesn't say. The law doesn't. Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Be safe.
You too.
After a tense confrontation, the man requests a lawyer and stops answering questions. Officers, lacking evidence of a crime, let him go. Both sides realize the situation wastes time and part ways calmly. In the end, the man successfully defends his rights while officers confirm no charges are filed. This encounter reminds everyone how important it is to know and stand by your rights when interacting with law enforcement. What do you think about this story? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.